Imagine a world where the first digital programmable computer existed long before the smartphones we hold today. Charles Babbage's analytical engine was a groundbreaking invention that used punched cards for input and output, paving the way for modern computing. With features like loops and conditional branching, this marvel of engineering laid the foundation for the technology we rely on today. The analytical engine was not just a machine. It was a vision of the future that revolutionized the way we think about computation.